Hello friends, if you want to change your SSD or hard disk, then you can watch this video till end. And friends, before we remove and set this hard disk and SSD, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, here I have installed from before only this SSD and I want to insert this hard disk. Okay, so you have to take out this one, this small wires. You have to remove this like this, just pull out. Okay, after you pull out here, let's insert this hard disk. If you want to insert it, look here, you have to insert, you have to check nicely, don't do any mistake. You just need to insert like this. Look, the small pin here, you have to under this golden color, and the white color here on the big one, you have to insert there. And here we have done to insert. And if you want to fix there on the side like this, then you can fix, just need to put the nut on the back side here. Okay, see, it's easily, it has been inserted. If you want to make too hard little bit, then you have to fix on the other side. Okay, it has been fixed already, but for security you have to fix with the nut also like this. Okay, if you can't fix, then we can fix with this screwdriver. And here we are done. You too, you can do with this, because this can make tight your nut. Okay, so friends, hope you loved your video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching, and here it has been fixed hardly. So bye.